Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to create a new project in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you might want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments that you can play. You have your audio recorder and so on. So guys, the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and either open up any of our tracks. You go ahead and into the main menu, or you can click the back button right here in the upper left corner. As you can see, once you click on back, this is going to open up this recording menu where you can find your recording settings. But if you do not have the back button, just go ahead and open up any of the options right here. This is going to open up the recording menu, and now in the upper left corner you'll have an edit mode button. This is the middle button right here that's going to open up this mixing mode where you can find all the tracks that you have in your current project. So guys, if you want to go ahead and create a new project and get started from zero, this is what you have to do. Just go right here into the upper left corner, click on this arrow pointing downwards. That's going to open up this menu that says my songs. Tap on my songs, and this is now going to open up your GarageBand recents folder where you can find all the projects that you have created and saved. And guys, if you want to go ahead and create a new project, all you have to do is just click the plus button in the upper right corner. So clicking the plus button in the upper right corner is going to enable you to start this new project, and now you can get started with creating your new songs. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.